A little bit of Yuma gardening. Let's see, we started with a little bit of sunflowers and some corn. Got some okra going. In here we have tomato. I have all kinds of varied types of tomatoes. We have some cucumber growing. Got little bitty cucumbers on it. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's right in there. And then I just pulled out some broccoli and I replanted with some peas and some more type of squash, zucchini. A few little herbs here that are still doing well. Some volunteer plants, they just seem to come up, so I stick them in a pot. Morning glories, these were all seeds. Everything in here was grown from seed. Started myself some asparagus, 2 different types of eggplant, beefsteak tomato. No tomatoes on that yet. That's brand new though, really. I mean, it just started popping up, so within about probably 3 weeks, it's really gotten some serious growth on it. We've got peppers. I've got some moringas in here that I've got trying to get started. And another volunteer tomato. Some more peppers. Another tomato. It's an artichoke. This is cantaloupe. This is going to be some more squash in here. I happen to like squash, so I grow a lot of it. Some strawberries. I've been getting strawberries off of it. And we have some watermelon. And the vine is growing outside of the shade here. I do have little tiny watermelons on it. We shall see if they stay on the vine. Hopefully, try to keep it. The runner's coming over top of things. And of course the poinsettia that somebody posted one of theirs up, and it was really pretty, and I knew that I'd put this one in the ground a couple months ago, and because it wasn't doing very good, it was just sticks. And I had it east facing, which it was not getting any sun. It was completely in the shade, and I was just dumping my old aquarium water. When I cleaned the aquarium out, I was dumping the water on it, and the past 2 weeks it started getting new growth. I read up on them, and I decided to go ahead and pull it out of that location, put it in a pot, and bring it over here where it's got some filtered sun, and hopefully it makes it. But I'll never look at poinsettias again the way I did, because I always just used to cast them off after Christmas and New Year's, like most people, I think. So I'm going to start hanging on to them and letting them grow. Of course, asparagus isn't really in season, but that will grow all year long, and should have better asparagus next year. They do better each year that they continue to grow. Anyway, I have started some tomato plants over here on the outside, and along with a couple strawberries. And these plants have tomatoes on them, and they are in a shoe tree. The kind you put in your closet and you let hang. Each one of those are in a separate little section, and I haven't done much with them really. I put a little bit of fish fertilizer on them, and that's about it. And the strawberries are in there. That's it for now. But yeah, that's kind of what you got to do in Yuma if you're going to try and grow anything. And a lot of these containers are hydroponic containers, so I just basically fill them up with water through this little spout, And there's another bucket. There's 2 5-gallons. The one on the bottom contains the water, and the other one just sits on top of it so the roots grow down into it. So it kind of saves on soil and actually the watering. Same with the watermelons and the other squash plants. Those are all on a, this is all hydroponics. Look down in there, you can see the roots. And just keep that covered up so nothing gets in there. Don't want anything to fall down in there like a snake or a lizard or anything. Same with my cucumbers. And you can see that the water stays pretty clean. Like I said, I just feed them fish emulsion. That's it. I add a little bit of fish emulsion, not even, but maybe once a month or so, and not very much of it. The rest of these, of course, are container. And these back here, these are hydroponic. And there are eggplants all over this thing. This is 2nd year eggplant right here. I thought they died out, honestly, but this one's going on for its 2nd year. So, and the peppers, this pepper is hydroponics and this one is not. This is in a regular container, but all container and all hydroponics. Any of these with the tubes in them are hydroponics. So, anyway, Yuma gardening, the 5x5 ranch.